A video today. I'm bass fishing this pond. The bass are actually bedding a little bit, so I may get a couple. I may stick this GoPro right here underwater, get some bed shots. But anyways, I'm fishing with a wacky rig worm or maybe a Texas rig. I'm not too sure yet. I'm gonna be fishing with some swim bait right here too. I don't know yet. I'll just kind of see what I got. So yeah, guys, let's get today's video. Throwing a little white swim bait. I'll work it. Ooh. No way. I just caught one right there. What is that? That's a pumpkin seed. Look at that. And actually, that's a warmouth. Warmouth, pumpkin seed, whatever you want to call it. Guys, look at that. First cast. Wait, isn't that supposed to be bad luck? I don't know. I'm happy. Look at that right there. Hello, dude. That was pretty cool. Some people call those right pumpkin seeds. Some people call them warmouth. It's really, some people call them smallmouth bass, but they're not really smallies, but it's okay. What I can catch with this little thing. Won't catch nothing for the rest of the day. That's kind of just gonna be like, haha. He hit it too like he was a decent sized fish, but he was a good sized fish. He wasn't a giant though. So, anyways, let's see if we can't catch some more fish. He's kind of nibbling at it. Ooh, I had him that time. Can't catch him. Just can't catch fish. This little dude just come out of nowhere. Hey, this little guy. He's so small. You know what? Yep, little old dude. That was a decent sized little fish. I definitely got the hook into him. It's a bunch of small bass that was like right there. As soon as you realize it's gonna get hit. I done did there a couple times and got hit, so I don't know. But I don't know. The little bass are on fire. Big bass right here. Oh, she'll bite it again. Or it felt like a big one. Oh yeah. It thumped it. It didn't bite it. Just kind of thumped it real quick. Come on. That big bass is like right out here somewhere. It's a big female, I think. Because I think she's on a bed. Right there. But, oh, there's another fish right there. Oh. Y'all probably think I'm lying to y'all, but there's just that many small fish in here. That right there was not a small fish, but okay. Oh great. Now I know I could twist this little thing on up on here, on there, but I think I'm just gonna do it like that for now. That was a good fish right, it hit right here. I didn't even think it was that big of a fish. I thought it was another small one. But when I set the hook, I realized it was not another small one. But anyways, turn y'all back on when I catch one, or if I catch another one. Something. I got a wacky rigged green trick worm. Now watch this. Y'all just see me. I've been fishing with that swim bait now. It's not been being able to hook up to the fish because they're kind of smaller fish. But I should be able to catch one on this. Not too hard. I shouldn't be able to. Shouldn't take me too long to catch one on this. Because in this pond they really like trick worms. Thought I had one running with it right there. But yeah, so any color trick worm in this pond actually. They love them in this pond. Don't ask me why, they just do. I mean, trick worms actually work pretty good, so. Anyway, stay tuned. I should be able to catch one on this. Got him. Oh yeah, little dude. Oh. Looks like you absolutely choked that little thing, guy. There you go. Boom. That's another fish. I just hooked this little dude. Look what I hooked him on. I took that green trick worm I had. I took this wacky hook. Come on, little dude. Stuck around. Where's it? Oh, it went to that. Okay, get it now. Alright, there we go. Okay, there's a little bass. But I took this little wacky hook and put it through a little tiny piece of neon green trick worm that I found in my lane. There you go, a little tiny bass. I had a bass come out there and eat this little thing, and I hooked him and it shook it. This thing's hard to throw in a bait caster too. There we go. Hold on. That little thing. Oh, there it went. Oh! He took it. He didn't take my hook. He took the little mini thing. So you know what? I'm gonna go back over there and I'm gonna get me another one. Get this little dude. Nope. Oh, cast it on the bank. Okay. So, yeah. There he went. Got him that time. Woo! Hyper, little feller. Calm down. It's alright. Well, it hooks you right in the eyeball, buddy. Sorry about that. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Nope. Okay, anyways, that's another fish. This pond's like little. Look. Do that and then do it again. That's all I'm doing. I'm just kind of jerking along and see that. Look. Just kind of come out to the top of the surface, kind of going back down, come back up, going back down, come back up. I mean, it's basically a small, thin piece of green plastic. That's all I'm doing. I'm just kind of working along. Working along. Stop it for a minute. And usually when you stop it, that's when they'll boom. I'll get it, but that's okay. I'm just kind of imitating a little minnow.